In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right OpenArt subscription plan. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the options and matching a plan to your creative needs. Start by heading to the OpenArt website in your browser. Make sure you're on the official site so you see the most up-to-date interface. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click Upgrade. This takes you straight to the upgrade or pricing area where all the subscription choices are laid out clearly. At the top of this page, you'll see a way to view pricing by billing cycle. First, click Monthly. This shows you the price and inclusions if you prefer paying month to month, which is great if you want flexibility or you're testing your workflow. Next, click Annually. Annual billing usually reflects the cost spread across the year and can offer savings if you know you'll be creating regularly. As you toggle, pay attention to how the numbers shift so you can weigh consistency versus flexibility. Now explore the plan tiers. Click on Essential to preview what's included at the entry level. This is often a good fit if you're getting started, experimenting with a few projects, or just need a reliable baseline of credits. Notice the core inclusions and how many credits you receive, and consider whether that aligns with light, occasional use. Then click on Advanced. This tier typically expands on credits and features, designed for users who create more frequently or want a buffer for busier weeks. As you compare, think about your average weekly output, how often you iterate, and whether you'll benefit from higher limits. Next, click on Infinite. This plan is aimed at heavy use, where you may be generating a lot of images, exploring multiple styles, or running larger projects. Evaluate whether the higher capacity and any listed perks match your pace and the complexity of your work. Finally, click on Wonder. Review how its inclusions differ from the other tiers. Look closely at credits, any unique capabilities noted on the page, and how the offering aligns with specialized or ambitious creative goals. Each plan card will clearly outline what you get. As you compare, focus on the inclusions and the credit amounts shown for each option. Check what's listed right beneath the plan names, the credits, limits, and any notable features. Match those details to your typical workload, your deadlines, and your budget. If you're unsure, it's perfectly reasonable to start smaller, monitor how quickly you use credits, and upgrade later when your needs grow. The key is balancing costs with consistent access to the tools you actually use. That's it. You visited OpenArt, opened the upgrade page, compared monthly versus annual billing, and reviewed each plan's inclusions and credits to choose the right fit for you.